The time is upon us. It's Valentine's season. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. It's a little bit of a Valentine's Day inspired look. So I feel like this is going to be a really fun look for any kind of occasion. But we're just going to call it Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is coming around. Yeah, other than that though, let's get into the video. I'm really debating on what kind of look I want to do that's like a Valentine's inspire, you know, because there's so many ways you can go about it. It could still be just a really soft, natural look, or I could go pink, I could go purple, I could go red, I could go smoky, like a smoky red. Ooh, that was cute. I think I'm going to be a little bit more festive in the whole Valentine scheme by using this palette right here, and also because the shit was like $60 and I need to freaking use it. I think I'm feeling more of like a purpley look, so that's what we're gonna kind of go with. So the first shade I want to go in with is Lace, which is kind of like this really like grayish purpley pale color. It's a great description. So I'm going to take this on a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to apply this in my crease. Let me bring you guys in. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Spanked. It's like, you know, a little bit of a, it's warmer. It's like a warmer pinky purple to help kind of deepen it up. So I'm going on a smaller blending brush and I'm just going to focus that here. And then I'm going to go on with this Love Bite shade. I think I want to take the shade Daydream, the purpley kind of lilac-y shade that's in here, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. I didn't wet it, but let me try my finger. That might be better. Ooh, yeah. So I think what I'll do is I'm actually gonna go back in the shade Spanked. And I'm going to blend the shimmer into the outer portion of the eye. And then taking my smaller brush, I'm going to take Love Bite again and deepen up the outer portion. And then taking my blending brush, I'm just going to soften the edges. By putting, and I'm actually going to take Lace on it and put it on the edges. Just soften it one more time. Bring back some of that dusty tone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little kind of flat shader brush that's like fluffy, and I'm going to take Lace on there and smoke it out under my eye. And for me, I like to have a good bit of smoke, especially on the outer portion of the eye, and bring it down pretty well. I like a really smoky eye. So I like to kind of focus most of the product on the outer portion and then bringing it in, but I also do bring it down a little lower because I have fine lines under my eyes, and I feel like when I bring the smoke down a little bit, it does make it a little more dramatic, but it also helps hide my fine lines. So if you don't mind it, this is a good way to cover it up. And then I'm going to take Spanked and bring it on the outer portion of my eye. And the reason why I like to do it out here too is because when I smoke out the outer portion of my eye, I like to make it meet, you know, like unite the top and bottom lash together. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush, probably the same little pencil one, and take Love Bite and really just focus that right here on the outer. As I was saying before my camera died, I like to take the final darker shade and kind of just focus it out here, because since the dark shade is right here on my on the outer portion of my eye, I just like it because I feel like it really unites the top and bottom to create like a really cohesive look. Yeah, see this? I don't know if you can really tell, but I feel like it makes a difference. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I came back and did my whole face. I used the Hoola Light bronzer to kind of bronze up my face a little bit. I did use the Ibby Beauty highlight and contour palette, and I used the first shade right here because it's a really good shade when you're fair. And then I did take my single shadow blush from MAC called Pincho Peach right here and did a nice soft little dusting of it. And then for highlighter, I did use the GLF Cosmetic Azteca highlighters palette. I went in with these two shades right here, and then I used their loose highlighter called Bad Intentions on top. A little extra, I know, but I did it anyway. And then I put this Bad Intentions on the inner corners. And for my lashes, I'm wearing the Kiss lashes in Sultry A. It's like a little it's like a little pack of two. I don't know why that was hard for me to say, but I put these on because they're not too dramatic, but they're really pretty because you can use them to zhuzh up an eye look, or if you're just doing something really natural and you just want your lashes to be a little bit more of the statement in a look, you can. They're very versatile is what I'm trying to get at. I like them a lot. Now for my lip combo, I'm not sure if I like it or not. I swear I suck when it comes to doing lip combos. I don't know why. Okay, I kind of like this one better, so let me know if you like this one better. But if you do, it is the Wet n Wild Chic Got Real still, but I did add a little bit of the Pinkprint, which is the Nicki Minaj MAC lip collaboration on top of it. But really you could just go in with just this and it still looks good, but I wanted it to be a little bit more pinky rather than purple, but you know, I'm conflicted honestly. But yeah, so here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful, and if so, let me know. And if there's any other kind of looks you want me to make, or what you would do differently with this look, let me know. I'd love to read that in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.